In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Facebook fully private. 5 minutes, we're going to tighten a key privacy control that affects who can see posts you're tagged in when they appear on your profile. This is one of the most important settings for locking down your visibility, and the whole process is quick and straightforward. Start by heading to facebook.com and signing in. Once you are on your homepage, look to the top right corner and open the main menu. From there, choose Settings and Privacy. This menu is where Facebook keeps all your account controls, and it's the best place to manage how much of your information is visible to others. Next, click on Settings. This opens the full settings dashboard. On the left hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Find and select Profile and Tagging. This section specifically manages how other people interact with your profile and how tags are handled, which is crucial if you want to keep things private. Inside Profile and Tagging, look for the option that says Who can see posts you're tagged in on your profile? Go ahead and click it. This controls whether tagged posts show up on your profile and who can view them there. It's important to understand that this setting affects visibility on your profile specifically. It doesn't change the audience of the original post where you were tagged. By limiting visibility here, you prevent tagged content from being displayed to others when they visit your profile, even if the original post still exists elsewhere. If Facebook prompts you to select an account or profile to manage, choose the one you want to adjust. This can happen if you have multiple profiles or manage a page in addition to your personal profile. Make sure you're editing the correct profile before you proceed. When the audience selector opens, choose Only Me. This is the most restrictive option and effectively hides tagged posts from everyone else on your profile. It's a strong privacy choice if you want full control over what appears when someone views your profile. Facebook typically saves this change automatically, so once you select Only Me, you're set. A quick recap: you went to Facebook, opened Settings and Privacy, entered Settings, navigated to Profile and Tagging, opened the visibility control for tagged posts on your profile, confirmed the right account, and chose Only Me. That's all it takes to lock down this key privacy area. If you want to go even further later, you can explore other privacy options in the same section, but for now, you've made a meaningful move toward a more private Facebook profile.